Here we have a problem of £32 and 13 pence divided by 6. So first job is to put it into a format where I can do some working. So I'll put the 6 out there and the amount inside. So 32.13, and you can see I'm spreading out my digits, so it gives me a bit of room to work. And I'll add in a couple of zeros just in case I need them. The reminder that when it comes to money, I always have to have 2 decimal places after the decimal point. So we are ready to start calculating, almost. I've only put this decimal, the pound sign in there, just so I don't forget that the unit of measurement is pounds. So when I start my answer, okay, I remember, may as well put it in my answer, and now I'm finished with it. Okay, let's start. 6 into 3, that doesn't happen, so that's 0. I'm not finished with the 3, so the next question is how many 6's go into 32? Well, that's 5, with 2 left over, right? I'm up to the decimal point, so I'll put the decimal point in my answer. Next question is how many 6's go into 21? And that's 3. And there are 3 left over. How many 6's go into 33? That's 5. And there are 3 left over. Oh, I'm using one of my extra zeros, so that was lucky. 6 into 30, that's 5. And 0 left over, so I'm finished. Now if I look here and I see this, I don't need this 0, so I could write 5.355. Now that is correct, except in practical sense, we don't ever say £5.355. We would round it off, and we would round it off to 2 decimal places. So I would look to my indicator digit, which is the next digit to the right, okay? And if it's from 1 to 4, or sorry, 0 to 4, this digit, this 5 in this case, would stay as it is. If it's 5 to 9, this digit has to go up, has to be rounded up, and it is from 5 to 9. Therefore, the correct and final answer is £5 and 30. This has to be rounded up because this one's big, right? So 5, it's 6. And so this is the final answer.